Hello techies. In this short video, we will learn about wait for text on command session action. What is the purpose of this action, that is wait for text on command section? If you're going to identify for the specific text on previously open session, and if you're looking for some kind of text in the particular command or the output, in that case, in the particular output, in that case, if you are going to use wait for text on command session. I will give you some example over here. If you see in my command line interface, I have used the command directory, right? And you can see the output over here, cmd output.text, daily reports, documents, and employee.xlx. And you are having a lot of directories over here as well as the files. If you're looking for the specific text over here, these are all the text, right? If you're looking for the specific text in such a way, I'm looking for daily reports. And the command is executing longer time. In that case, you have to wait for the output till the particular text has come. In such a way, if you see over here, I'm having employee.xlsx file. This is the text which I'm looking for. In that case, I will use wait for text on command session action. All right, let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace in between write to command section and read from command section. First, we'll see the parameters. What is the first parameter that we have? Command section. That is the variable or the session which we have open. And right now, text to wait, I'm going to give employee, right? This is the text I'm going to wait it whenever you are going to execute the write to command section. It has to wait for till this particular text has to come whenever you are going to write it. All right. And you can see over here is regular expression. Is this the regular expression or not? You can see specifies whether to wait for the regular expression instead of plain text. So I will say I'm going to disable it because of this is the plain text. Ignore cases, it's a kind of uppercase, lowercase that we are going to use it. I'm going to ignore this one also because of I can use any kind of cases over here. All right. Now we'll see the advanced. Over here, the timeout. You can't keep this command open for n number of seconds, like in such a way, you don't want to keep on waiting for the output, right? So that what I will do, I will give 30 seconds over here, and then I'm going to click on save. What will happen over here? Whenever it is going to be the write to command session has to be executing, it will give some output. In the output, do you got this employee text or not? So how can you go ahead and you can wait it? You can check it out, wait for text on command session. In the real-time scenario, what will happen? It is taken to complete the installation. Sometimes you are going to install something and then it has to say installation has been completed successfully. That is the text you are looking for. In that case, it will wait till that time and then it will read the output and then it will write the data in such a way the installation has been completed successfully. And then it will close the command session, right? This is how it will look for. Now, to see the output, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started, and you can see the flow has been executed successfully. Now, once again, let me go to the output. I'm going to see the output over here. CMD output, I'm having the output over here, right? In the given output, we are having employee.xlsx file, right? So that it has been executed very fast over here. Now, to make you understand what I'm going to do, I'm going to give in such a way which is not there in the particular output. Now, I'm going to give the text in such a way, employee details, which is not available in the output, right? Now, let me click on save. Now, what will happen? It will wait for 30 seconds and then it will throw an error over there in the particular flow. All right. To see the output, let's run the flow. Flow execution started. And you can see over here, the current time is 10 seconds, right? You can observe at the bottom the status of the application. You can see 16 seconds it has been done, like after starting executing. It will goes on for till 30 seconds. It will wait for 30 seconds and then it will throw an error. See right now, the time has been completed. It's waited for 40 seconds, around 35 to 40 seconds. Because of previously it was taken 6 seconds to execute open command section, write to command section, and the remaining time it has been waited for 30 seconds, and then it has been thrown an error. Timeout occurred while waiting for the text employee details. Because of for these 30 seconds, it has not found the text as an output, that is employee details. And that's the reason it has been thrown an error, and it has been came out of the flow by giving an error over here. All right. I hope you understand how to work with open command session, write to command session, wait for test on command session, and also we have seen how to read the output by using read from command session. And finally, we have closed the session by using close command section actions. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.